So if you are knee-deep in planning a kitchen remodel, and let's be honest, who hasn't been there, scrolling endlessly through pictures of classic cabinets,
No, absolutely.
you start dreaming of that perfect mix of, timeless style and, well, practical affordability,
Right.
and you quickly realize that two names just keep dominating the conversation. LERHYTTAN and BODBYN.
They really are the undisputed champions in that space. They both give you that beloved framed door look. They're incredibly popular, and they both promise a classic kitchen.
But, and this is the critical point, our sources really hammered home, they deliver wildly different feelings.
A completely different aesthetic when you see them side by side in a real home, not just a showroom.
Okay, so let's unpack that, because for anyone trying to, shortcut that agonizing research phase, understanding that emotional and material distinction it's the golden key.
It is.
Our mission for this deep dive is to compare these two styles really exhaustively. We're going to look past the surface and get into the nuances of the design, the materials, the colors.
And crucially, which type of home each one is truly designed to thrive in.
Exactly.
And the beautiful thing really is that the decision you're facing isn't about function. Both LERHYTTAN and BODBYN indoors, they're built for the Medod cabinet system.
So all your storage, your hinges, the layout, that's all equally flexible.
Precisely. The real distinction, the thing that will define your experience every single day, is purely about style, atmosphere, and the personality you want your kitchen to have.
So let's jump right into that personality, starting with LERHYTTAN. It has some real historical roots.
It does.
Our sources point out that it's deeply inspired by traditional, almost utilitarian Scandinavian craftsmanship. And you can see that right away.
That's right. And what's fascinating is how the construction details show that history. Yes, it has frame doors, that classic shaker profile, but the single most defining feature is that visible wood grain under the finish. It's not trying to be a sleek, smooth cabinet.
No, not at all. That texture, that slight roughness, it gives it a genuinely handcrafted look. It feels warm, classic, and natural.
Almost like it came out of a century-old workshop.
Yeah. When you look at it, you feel grounded. The atmosphere is very specific. You picture a country kitchen, a cozy cottage, a classic farmhouse.
An older home where that slightly rugged, textured look just fits. It really embraces tradition.
Okay, so now let's switch gears. Let's talk about BODBYN because the air changes completely.
It really does. They're both framed doors, that shaker look we love, but BODBYN is. It's like it's been put through a high-end refining process.
The surfaces are painted, they're incredibly smooth, and the lines are just visibly cleaner, more precise.
It steps away from that rustic feel on purpose.
It's aiming for a different kind of classicism. Our notes called it more refined, inherently elegant. It feels closer to a formal, traditional American or European shaker design.
That's a perfect way to put it. Where LERHYTTAN is all about warmth and character, BODBYN aims for this pristine calm, this polished balance.
So that's the summary contrast right there.
Yeah.
LERHYTTAN feels rustic and traditional.
And BODBYN feels classic and elegant. And that core difference really sets the stage for everything else, especially what happens to them after 5 years of daily use.
Yes, because that aesthetic choice dictates the reality of what happens when you, say, knock a pan against a lower door. Which brings us right to the materials. Let's talk texture and, more importantly, how that finish holds up over time. This is where things really start to diverge for you, the person planning this remodel.
Okay, so let's start with LERHYTTAN's defining feature, that visible wood structure under the paint.
Right.
The design choice there is intentional. You don't just see the color, you can see and often feel the texture of the grain. It creates these unique shadow lines that give it that immediate character.
But that means it's less uniform overall.
Exactly. It's designed to be imperfect, but in a very beautiful, natural way.
And that texture must change how it handles wear and tear. Our source material notes that it naturally hides patina as it ages.
It does. A small ding or a scratch on a surface that already has a visible grain. Well, it often just adds to the character. It blends in. The aging process becomes part of its charm.
Okay, so then BODBYN is the complete opposite.
The diametrically opposite approach. It uses a painted, much smoother, highly even finish. This is usually done with a high-density fiberboard core that gives you that perfect, consistent surface.
Which delivers that clean, polished, maybe more premium impression people associate with custom cabinetry.
It does. So if LERHYTTAN is designed to develop a patina,
Then BODBYN is designed for preservation.
exactly, because it maintains such a uniform look, anywhere a chip in the smooth paint, a big scratch, it can be much more visible, more jarring against that pristine surface.
So it demands more careful maintenance to keep that initial look.
It does.
But hang on, a practical question. If LERHYTTAN is rougher, does that make it harder to clean? I mean, does that grain trap grease?
That's a great question. So while the grain is visible, the surface is still sealed. But yes, any heavily framed or textured door is going to need a bit more attention in the corners than a flat slab door.
Sure.
The difference between them here is subtle, but BODBYN's polished surface does wipe down marginally quicker just because there are fewer textural inconsistencies.
But the trade-off is that BODBYN hides those everyday imperfections better.
That's the trade. So the choice isn't about which one is better, but about which story you want your kitchen to tell.
Do you want a kitchen that shows its use and blends that into its character? Or one that strives for maintained consistency and polish? That's a huge distinction.
It's critical, and that finish dramatically impacts our third point, the color palette.
Ah,
Yes.
yes. The way color interacts with a rustic surface versus a smooth one changes everything.
A whole mood of the room.
And color is one of the biggest practical differences between the two. Let's look at LERHYTTAN first. It leans towards colors that enhance its contrast, that make the texture pop. So you're usually looking at black, a light gray, and sometimes those darker traditional tones.
And those colors are very deliberate. They complement that heavy aesthetic. They work best in the environments that your Hôtel is designed for: rustic homes, country houses.
Places with natural wood countertops, butcher blocks, stone floors.
Exactly. The dark tones or the textured gray are meant to stand out, to ground the space, and really emphasize the depth of that frame.
So then how does BODBYN's palette compare?
Well, BODBYN offers a broader classic palette, but it's inherently softer. It's all about flexibility. You're looking at off-white, a refined gray, dark green.
The off-white is huge, right?
It's one of its biggest sellers, and that's because it's not a stark, modern white. It's a gentle, warm hue. This is why BODBYN is often so much easier to work with, especially in smaller apartments or modern homes that want a classic look but need it to feel bright.
So if you need maximum brightness and that feeling of space, BODBYN is a much better canvas.
Absolutely. The LERHYTTAN palette is designed to emphasize shadow and texture, giving it gravity.
While the BODBYN palette is designed to emphasize light reflection and clean lines, giving it lift.
Exactly. Which leads us perfectly into the most practical concern for most people. How do these actually look in a real home?
Right, where room size and natural light are everything.
Once you see them installed outside a showroom, the difference in what we'd call visual weight becomes so clear.
LRA, with its texture and those darker colors, it feels inherently heavier. It reads like a substantial piece of furniture.
That is key. A visually heavy design needs room to breathe. The deeper frame creates deeper shadow lines, which absorb light and increase the visual density.
So it looks best in larger rooms.
Larger rooms, high ceilings, wide layouts. It pairs beautifully with chunky, substantial farmhouse details, hand-forged hardware, a big custom hood range, things that ground that weight.
Okay, so if that's LRAN, then BODBYN with its smooth finish and brighter colors. It just feels lighter.
Significantly lighter and more airy, and that's a massive benefit if you're dealing with space constraints.
Like city apartments, townhouses, smaller galley kitchens.
It works extremely well in those spaces. The smooth, light surface reflects light so efficiently, it can make a confined space feel much larger. If you want to create an illusion of space but keep that classic look, BODYN is your workhorse.
And that point about adaptability is crucial too. Our sources say BODBYN adapts more easily to modern styling.
It does. You can take that classic door and pair it with sleek, contemporary hardware, minimal tile, modern lighting, and it looks perfectly cohesive.
Whereas LERHYTTAN almost demands that you commit to the rustic or traditional look.
Yeah.
If you try to mix it with the ultra-modern stuff, it can feel conflicted.
It can, yeah. So this is where the style difference is most apparent. LERHYTTAN is fantastic, but it needs space and intentional details to really shine.
And the other, BODBYN, is just inherently efficient with space and light, making it a super flexible solution for almost any classic look.
The ultimate adaptable classic.
So if you're listening and nodding along, but you're still feeling torn, let's wrap this up with a concise decision matrix.
A good way to crystallize it.
All right. You should choose LERHYTTAN if you want a deeply traditional rustic kitchen. If you love the idea of visible texture and character and the signs of age that come with it.
And if you have enough physical space to let that heavier design breathe.
Now on the other side.
You should choose BODBYN if your goal is a more timeless, classic kitchen aesthetic. A cleaner, more refined look.
If you prefer something brighter and more polished, and you're prepared for the maintenance to keep it that way.
And critically, choose BODYN if you need a design that fits flexibly into both a modern apartment and an older traditional home without demanding a specific rustic style.
And the final synthesis here is just essential.
It really is, because both use the MEDOT system. You're never sacrificing function. Your layout and storage options are identical.
So the entire choice, it just hinges purely on atmosphere and feeling.
LERHYTTAN and BODBYN are both classic, but as we've seen, they tell profoundly different stories.
One is rustic and traditional, embracing texture and that historical weight.
And the other is elegant, timeless, and balanced, leaning into that refined, high-end shaker identity.
So this comparison really clarifies that the decision isn't just about the look you buy today.
No, it's about how the kitchen lives and ages with you. While BODBYN aims for that consistent, preserved perfection, LERHYTTAN embraces its wear and age, allowing a natural, lived-in character to emerge over time.
So here's the final thought for you to carry forward as you make this choice. It isn't just about the aesthetics you want today, but about the story you want your kitchen to tell 10 years from now. Do you want a story of preserved, clean consistency, a space that looks perpetually new, or do you want a story of natural, visible character? A space that evolves and tells the authentic history of its use. That's the real deep dive you need to take before choosing between the enduring charm of LERHYTTAN and the refined elegance of BODBYN.